Welcome to My Language Homework Q45. Monday starts with the word list, dictionary, postscript, animate, pose, adequate, reside, graduation, exposure, contradict, scribe, session, adhesive. Which word means the result of completing steps for a degree? Graduation. Label the part of speech for each underlined word. Stop is an interjection. Do not open the door. Open is a verb, that's an action. Or we're combining, that's our conjunction or coordinating conjunction. You will ruin the surprise. Surprise is a thing, that's a noun. Correct the sentence by adding commas. We laughed, cried, and enjoyed the movie. We have a series of events, so I put a comma after each event, except for the last one. Simile or metaphor, what does it mean? Lucy was as strong as an ox. I see as and as, so I know it's a simile. Lucy was very strong. She was very strong. Tell if the underlined verb is past perfect, present perfect, or future perfect. By the time I got to school, the bell had rung. I know that had is the helping verb that goes with past perfect, and rung is in the past tense form, so it's past perfect. Not just past perfect. Add a comma. The zoo opens at 9 o'clock, doesn't it? I have a statement and then a question tag. I need to separate the question tag with a comma. Write the meaning of the root grad or gress. It means to step or to go. Moving on to Tuesday. Here we go, Tuesday. We're sorting the words from our word list that was listed on Monday. To make or do. Make or do. Graduation. And animate. Remember, we're going to make it look like it's alive. Which word best completes the sentence? We had an amount of paper to complete our project. We had the paper that we needed, so we had an adequate amount. Which word or phrase best completes the sentence? The superhero sandwich is made with turkey. So is the garden sandwich. They're both made with turkey, so I'm telling how they are the same, similarly. Circle the definition of the underlined word. She was able to entrance the audience with her performance. Is it the way in something, entrance, or to delight? Yes, it's entrance, to delight. What does the adage or proverb mean? Honesty is the best policy. It means that being truthful is always the best choice. Honesty is always the best choice. Complete the sentence. I got a drink before dinner. Does not give you a verb to go in the blank, but we know that we are in past tense. I got a drink before I'll put ate dinner. Any past tense verb that makes sense here would be fine. Write the meaning of the underlined word. The murmur of the stream could barely be heard. It could barely be heard, so it's like a whisper. It's a low noise. Make a list of words with grad or gress. We already had graduation. We'll add gradual. Degrade. And aggressive. All right, we'll move on to Wednesday. If you've not completed Wednesday, stop here. All right, Wednesday, we're sorting. Oh, we did not sort the words for Tuesday. I'm sorry. Go back to Tuesday for a second. To, toward, or add to. Add to is a big clue there. We'll go adequate. And adhesive. Sorry about that. Now moving on to Wednesday. Write. Postscript. And scribe. To speak. Diction, so dictionary. And contradict. Which word means to speak against? You're going against somebody. Contradict. We had that in our word study as well. Improve the sentence by expanding, combining, or reducing. Janie bought a video game. She played it all day. I have two sentences, so I'm going to want to combine. Janie bought a video game, comma, and I'll just take out she played it all day. Janie bought a video game and played it all day. You could make the S in she lowercase and have both in there. Rewrite the title using the correct formatting. A Hard Day's Night is a song. It's a good song. A Hard Day's Night. It's the song. It's not the album that the song is on. So just the song is the smaller work. Smaller works, I put quotation marks. Circle the second definition of the word bath. I have my dictionary entry. The word bath, pronunciation, part of speech, definition number 1. And then here, part of speech again, definition number 2. So I'm going to circle definition number 2. Complete the sentence with the correct perfect present tense verb. Present perfect, I use have or has. I have or I has. I have. And the past tense form of the main verb, played. I have played many types of sports. Add a comma. No, it opens at 10 o'clock. No, it's an introductory word. Write the meaning of the underlined word. I would like to upgrade my plane ticket to first class. I want to upgrade my plane ticket. I want to move it up a level. I want to make it better. So we'll say move up a level or step maybe. Okay, we'll be moving on to Thursday. If you have not completed Thursday, stop here. Sorting the words, to place or to put. Pose. Exposure. Exposure. Which word best completes the sentence? Can you tell me where you... So I can mail you a letter. I want to mail a letter to you at the place where you live, reside. From the list over here, reside. Where does the comma go? For example, if you put a Mentos candy in a soda bottle, it will explode. After the introduction, for example, that transition. Which word could replace the underlined word? The tennis player's amazing performance was impressive. The performance was amazing, so it probably wasn't terrible. And it probably wasn't just okay. Exceptional is the best option. Which definition of bath is being used in the sentence? The child took a bubble bath before going to bed. I'm going to look back at my dictionary entry. Number 1, an act or process of washing your body in a large container of water. That sounds plausible. To wash someone in a large container of water. We're going to go with number 1 because it is a noun. And then this one is a verb, so this would be the child took a bubble bath. This is a thing. I'm looking for the noun. Complete the sentence. We ate popcorn as the movie. It doesn't give you an option here. So we ate is past tense. I need a past tense verb. I'm going to put watched. Highlight the part of the sentence that helps you find the meaning of the underlined word. The murmur of the stream could barely be heard. We used could barely be heard. Write the meaning of the underlined word. There was a gradual increase in snow throughout the night. A gradual increase means there was a incremental change, a step-by-step change. Step-by-step change. It didn't happen all at once. It was gradual. All right, and that was my language homework, Q45.